modem. Modem stands for modulator and demodulator. So half of the part, MO stands for modem, DEM stands for demodulator. Okay, modulator and demodulator converts digital information of a computer to analog mode and at the transmitting end, and demodulator converts back the signals, analog signals, to digital at the receiving end. Here, modulator converts digital signals to analog signals and demodulator converts analog signals to digital signals. Okay, so modem is classified into three types. Modem is classified into three types, that is internal modem, external modem, and PC card modem. Okay, so how many categories? Three categories are there: internal modem, external modem, and PC card modem. Internal modem, which is already there inside your computer, okay, that is already installed in a computer. Okay, it is in the form of a card that is inserted into any one of the slots on the motherboard, any one of the slots on the motherboard. See the image of internal modem. Okay, it will look like as your PCI card, but it is the internal modem which is already there in your computer. Okay, so now coming to the external modem, this is installed outside of the CPU. Nowadays in everyone's home we are having Wi-Fi connection that will be connected by using this type of modem. Okay, so this can be used for broadband connections like your Wi-Fi connection. Okay, this type of modem has indicator lights that to display, and the speed of a modem is measured in BPS and kbps. BPS stands for bits per second, kbps stands for kilobits per second. Okay, so it is in the form of a box that is normally connected to our USB port of a computer so that we can receive the internet signals. Okay, so normally this modem will have a maximum speed of 56 kbps. Okay, if suppose if your signal quality is not good, means it will not able to work with its maximum speed, means it will work in a low speed. Okay, so that is with your external modem. And coming to the PC card modem, it is specifically designed for laptops and handheld computers, those who will travel from one place to another place. At that time they want internet connection, so wired connection is not possible. No, those who will travel from one place to another place, at that time they require one modem to get the internet connection. At that time they can make use of this PC card modem. It is similar to the size of the credit card, but it fits into your PC card slot on notebook and handheld computers. Okay, so here no cable is required other than the telephone line connection. Okay, so we can remove this modem whenever our work will be finished. Okay, except for its size, this PC card modem is like the combination of both our internal and external modems. Okay, and next coming to the ports, different types of ports. We are having so many ports back side of your CPU, and some will be there front side also. So this type of these ports will be varied from computer to computer. Okay, so some ports will be in some different color, so directly by seeing that color we can identify which component has to be connected to that particular port. Okay, so here a computer port is a slot on the motherboard that act as a point of connection between a computer and an external device. External device means externally we are connecting some devices to the computer's motherboard. Okay, so those devices are nothing but like keyboard, mouse, printer, scanner, okay, projector, monitor, or whatever we will attach to them to a computer. Okay, now we will understood each and now we will learn about each and every port to which component has to be connected to which port. Okay, see, the placement of these ports may vary from computer to computer, as I already told you. Some ports will be color coded to identify the specific device to be plugged into them. Okay, so first one is the serial port. Okay, first one is the serial port. See the serial port, blue color, down you are having blue color port. Okay, blue color serial port. Okay, that is used for devices which do not require high speed transmission, means like mouse, we can connect mouse or keyboard to this port. Okay, so it can also use it to connect modems like communication ports. Through keyboard and mouse we will communicate through the computer, no? So this serial port also called as communication port. By using this serial port we can connect our mouse or keyboard. Okay, it transmits data 1 bit at a time over a single wire. Okay, because keyboard will have single wire or else mouse also will have single wire. Okay, even modems will also have a single wire. Okay, next down to that serial port, pink color, we are having parallel port. Okay, that is used for devices which require very high speed data transmission. Serial port means the devices which does not require any high speed transmission. Parallel port, the devices that require high speed data transmission such as printers. Okay, and this port can also be used to connect scanners, okay, CD writers, any other external hard disk drives. Okay, so at that time, in this case, parallel port transfers several bits of data together at one time. Suppose if we connected printer means, suppose if we want 10 prints, at that time, once we have given print option means directly it will print one after the other. Okay, and next coming to the USB port. USB stands for universal serial bus. Okay, you know, all of you know USB port. Okay, that is nothing but see here we are having games sport, games port, PS2 port. First we will learn this PS2 port. Green color and dark pink color is there, no? That PS2 port. Now it is used for attaching keyboard and mouse. This can also we can use it to attach computer. We can use it to attach keyboard and mouse to our computer, and this was developed by IBM in 1987. Now this PS2 port is considered as a legacy port as it has been replaced by the USB port. Okay, USB port is nothing but PS2 port. Okay, it has been replaced by the USB port. Okay, next upside to PS2 port we are having FireWire. This is used to connect camcorders and video equipments to our computer, video devices to our computer. Okay, and next VGA port, blue color, right beside your FireWire we are having one more port called VGA port. Okay, video graphics array port, which is used to connect monitors or projectors to our computer. So with the increase in use of digital video, VGA ports are gradually being replaced by HDMI and display ports. Nowadays so many are using digital videos. Nowadays they are using digital videos to get the better clarity of video output. So that's the reason now VGA ports are replaced by video display ports and HDMI ports. Right to the VGA port we are having S video and HDMI. Both these are used to connect high definition and ultra high definition devices like computer monitors, HD TVs, okay, high definition TVs, gaming consoles, high definition cameras to our computer. Okay, so this is a digital connector that can carry high definition video and at the same time audio. It can also send audio to different formats. Okay, and down also we are having digital video interfaces. All those are used to better quality or greater quality of digital videos. Okay, and next we are having starting Ethernet or RJ45 port. Okay, it looks like a telephone line connector. It is used to connect your computer to a wide network. Suppose landline phones are there. Okay, landline phones, that phones will be connected to this Ethernet. Okay, the plug will be look like this. And next one is, see here down we are having pink color, blue color, green color. All these are all these are the ports which we by using this we can connect to our audio devices or output input devices or output devices. Okay, so pink one which can be used as a microphone, means we can plug microphone into the computer. And next blue one is a line in port, it can be used to connect an external audio devices to your computer. And next green one line out, that can be allows us to connect external speakers, headphones or other output devices to be connected to the computer. Okay, and next this is right to left. Next one is the one more connector is there to connect any plug to our computer. Okay, so these are the different types of ports. Okay, so till now we have discussed internal hardware components like motherboard, sound card, video card, PCI, next heat sink, SMPS, modem and ports. So all these we have to know before using the computer. Okay, suppose if you purchased any new computer, at that time you have to plug different types of cables to your computer, like CPU's cable, monitor, display cable will be there, keyboard cable will be there, monitors if you want to connect speakers, and next if you want to connect a printer or scanner to your computer, all this you have to give connection to your CPU. Okay, at that time you should know how to connect your devices or components to the CPU. Okay, so for that the reason we are learning all the hardware components in this lesson.